here we are here for the SQL tutorial. Welcome to the SQL tutorial from PhD. So these are the basic statements we have. First is like I have created two tables over here in SQL Server Management Studio. Where I have, if I want to view the table, so I have two tables. So let's start from employees. If I execute this, I get to see these are all the columns in the employee table. Now similarly, I have created another table as department table. So if I again perform the select operations, like start from department, I get to see the department table having 5 columns: department ID, employee first name, salary, department description, and department code. Here I've also defined the data type and the null constraint. So what are all these and how to create all these? Let's look into it. The first is the create table. So how do we create the table? This is the syntax: create table, table name, column 1, data type, and whatever columns you want to add, you can add it over here. So let's create one table in front of you. I'm going to create this person table. So create table person, ID, int, not null, last one is varchar data type, and 255 and this is again going to be not null. So 255 correctly with the maximum number. Similarly for person also, age also. Now if you create this, it says successfully created. So now let's again do one more coding. If I execute this statement, okay, so we can clearly see that the table has been created but without any inputs. So now in order to insert, the next statement comes as insert statement. So similarly I have created the department table, okay, and the employee table. Okay, so these are all the columns and attributes of the employee table. So alright, now similarly we will now the next thing is to insert the values into the table. So how to insert the values? This is this basic syntax wherein insert into table name, column 1, column 2, column 3, and then we will insert the values. So here I am inserting it into the department tables, and let's see if it is getting inserted. So we don't have anything in the person table. Let's try to insert it in the person table. So what will I do? I'm going to add it here, insert into persons. What are the values? ID, let's say 1. Last name, let's say okay. Then we have the first name, let's say Peter itself, and then since it is a string, we should always put it in double quote. We should always pass it in our quotes. And then the first name is there, and then the age. So age, let's say 25. Okay, it's not a string. Integer will never come under quotes. I can remove the other ones. So let's execute this. Okay, one row effective. Now if I go back and check the person table, do we get the details? Yes, I'm able to see the details. So this is how we insert the data into the table. Alright, so this is my table for now. Okay, now coming to the next statement which we have is drop table. Similarly, if you want to drop any table, so you can just use the command drop table, table name. Okay, let's drop person table. Okay, so if I'm going to execute this, so I'm not able to see any statement, right? We have just seen the table. Now if I execute this statement again, it will say no table found. Alright, so this is how the commands are working, and as simple as SQL. Now coming to the alter statement, let's say if I want to add something into the table, what will I use? I'll use the alter statement. So what is the syntax? Alter table, table name, add column. So here, alter table department, add column. Let's say we want to add a date with a Thanks, ma'am.